Hello, it's Steve from ConnectedCat, and we're back at Busch Gardens with all of those animals and roller coasters for the Roller Coaster Review Volume 2. Alright, so we're really excited about this one because this first one's going to start off with this Tigris, okay, that you can see right here. Tigris has a 150-foot drop. It has over 1,800 feet of steel track. It goes faster than 60 miles per hour, and the ride thrill level, okay, and I think this is a Busch Gardens rating, I don't know, but it's high. It's like high. Anyway, let's go! All right.
There is no escape from the Cobra's curse.
Yeah, that's what's coming up next. We're going to be going on the Cobra's curse here at Busch Gardens. Anyway, it's got a 30,000-pound snake. It's got over a 70-foot kind of drop. And let me see. Speeds of over 40 miles an hour. Okay, and the ride thrill level is moderate. Here we go.
All right, here we go. There is no escape from the curse.
Yeah, so we saved the best for last. This is like the newest coaster over there. It's called the IronGwazi. The ride thrill level is extreme. Okay, so that's like really extreme. Okay, so it's a hybrid coaster. It means it's wood and steel, which is every roller coaster I grew up with. And it's got a 206-foot drop. That's 91 degrees straight down. Top speed's about 100. Well, no, it's about 76 miles an hour. That's pretty damn fast. All right. Anyway, there's 3 inversions on it, and the name of the company that made it is the Rocky Mountain Construction. Woo!